Hi. In this video, I will introduce you to the new vacuum kit for filaments from eSUN. How it works, why you should use it, and what it looks like when the filament is vacuum sealed. Enjoy! The package includes 10 vacuum bags, 1 vacuum pump, 10 silica gel packs, 2 clips to close the bag, and the user manual. Silica gel packs help absorb moisture and keep your filament dry. The pump has a USB connection, so it can even be used with a power bank. Vacuum sealing your filament helps protect it from moisture, which can negatively affect print quality and cause issues like stringing or poor layer adhesion. Keeping the filament in a vacuum bag also prevents dust and dirt from accumulating, ensuring smoother and more consistent printing. Additionally, proper storage extends the lifespan of your filament, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Place the filament in the bag. Add the silica gel pack. Seal it using the clips and vacuum seal the bag. When the silica gel absorbs moisture, it changes color and turns red. Connect the pump to a power source. Place it on the valve and press the button. The pump is small but extremely powerful, creating a strong vacuum and perfectly sealing the bag. The result is amazing. Once vacuum sealed, it stays airtight for weeks without losing vacuum. Let's vacuum seal the cable from the Niche 4 Max, my new laser, which you'll soon see on my channel. So don't miss out, subscribe to my channel. The bag opens easily and can be reused. The filaments are ready for storage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss the next video.